In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a property document online. To get started, open your web browser and go to your state, county, or local government's official property records website. This part is important because you should always use an official government source when looking up property information. That helps ensure the records are accurate, current, and safe to access. Once you're on the site, the next step is to sign in or create an account if the website requires it. Some property record portals allow public access right away, while others ask you to register before you can view or download documents. If needed, enter your details and complete any verification steps so your account is ready to use. After that, search for the property. Most websites give you a few different ways to do this, so use whichever information you already have. You may be able to search by the property address, the owner's name, the parcel number, or the property identification number, sometimes called a PIN. Enter the information carefully so you get the most accurate results. When the search results appear, review them closely and select the property that matches your information. This is an important step, especially if there are multiple properties with similar addresses or similar owner names. Take a moment to confirm you're opening the correct record before moving forward. Next, look for the section where documents are available. Depending on the website, you might see options such as the property deed, ownership records, tax records, land registration documents, or property assessment reports. These categories can vary slightly from one government portal to another, so just look for the document type that fits what you need. Once you find the right document, click the option to download it. On some websites, this may appear as download, view PDF, or print. In some cases, the site may charge a small fee before you can access an official copy, so be aware of that as you go through the process. After the document opens or downloads, save the file to a location on your device where you can easily find it later. It's a good idea to use a clear file name and keep both a digital copy and a printed copy for your records if needed. Before you finish, double check that the property details on the document are correct. Also remember that some records may require identity verification or payment. And most importantly, always stick to official government websites. That's it. You've successfully downloaded a property document online.